Today we're at Walmart and I'm going to show you how to get in over 120 grams of protein for 3 full days using only a crisp $20 bill. What's up, health nuts? I'm Hannah Marie, the Strong RD, registered dietitian nutritionist, board certified health and wellness coach, and certified strength and conditioning specialist. And on this channel, I teach you how to eat to build a healthy, strong physique. And you can't build a strong physique without protein. Let's go. This little RD went to market. Oh, I need to get a cart. I don't need a cart. I don't need a cart. We're doing this no cart. The cart was restricting me and I'm a free spirit. I'm just gonna talk to you hands-on. I don't think the employees like me here. A lot of my clients don't even know what a protein is outside of meat. And that is a common misconception, that you have to eat meat in order to meet your protein goals, which is why we're here in the bean aisle. It's not a bean aisle. No, well, I guess it kind of is. Canned beans, dried rice. Beans, peas, and lentils are a subgroup of protein. There are multiple subgroups of protein, not just meat and eggs. There are beans, peas, lentils, nuts, seeds, versatile options that you can have. One of my personal favorites is garbanzos. Chickpeas. Chickpeas are an excellent source of magnesium, which a lot of people are missing in their standard American diet. So these are great because not only are they high in protein, you're also going to get your micronutrients, lots of fiber, 6 grams of fiber. So cheap, affordable, happy poops, happy protein. Put it in the cart.
So with all of the items that we purchased today, we're going to be stretching our supply over the course of 3 days. So 1 can of chickpeas has a total of 21 grams of protein, and if we divide that by 3, we get 7 grams per day.
The cool thing about canned beans and things in a can in general is that they have really great shelf life, so you don't have to worry about them going bad. And the thing I love about canned beans is they're so versatile. So you can incorporate them into recipes. I personally like to have them with diced tomatoes, onion and garlic, add some flavor town. You could toss in chicken for additional protein. Now, the thing about plant-based options with protein that you should know is that even though they are a good alternative to meats, they lack a complete amino acid profile. Chickpeas lack methionine and cysteine, which are very important for having a complete protein. So just something to keep in mind, you might want to pair it with something like a whole grain source to make up for the amino acids that it's lacking. So maybe having your chickpeas in with like a whole grain rice.
Chickpeas are considered a legume. I'm about to show you another legume that's high in protein that may surprise you. I'm talking about ground nuts, but you probably know them as
peanuts. Peanuts are a great source of our essential omega-6 fatty acids. They also have vitamin E. They are a good source of magnesium as well, and they're freaking delicious. They're a plant, so they're not going to be as great of a source as like a meat or eggs, but they do have a more impressive amino acid profile compared to our chickpeas.
Even though peanuts are considered a protein food, most of their energy actually comes from fat. That's why peanuts and nuts in general are so high calorie. That said, I would not recommend eating 4 ounces of nuts a day if you're on a diet or concerned about weight gain. I'm an athlete with a high metabolism, so 4 ounces of nuts is perfectly healthy in my case and a cheap way to meet my protein needs. Just be aware that portion control is important if you aren't an active person. Anyway, if I ate 4 servings of nuts throughout my day, it would supply 28 grams of protein. In combination with the chickpeas, that's a total of 35 grams per day.
One thing I want to point out with nuts is that you want to be conscious of the salt content. So I'm getting lightly salted, but if you tend to have high blood pressure, you want to look for no salt added. Sometimes I get no salt and I'll just add my own. then you're in control of how much you eat. But lightly salted is good for most people and adds that flavor. So yeah. Nuts about nuts. Disclaimer, do not eat peanuts if you are allergic to them. Peanuts are one of the top 8 allergens. Lots of people are allergic to peanuts. If that's you, don't put peanuts in the cart, all right? I'm also a fan of walnuts, but they tend to be a little more expensive, and we're on a budget here. So we're going for the cheapest option for the highest protein. Now I've got to brace the cold. I'm dressed for success, though. For real, I bundled up, wore a hat, covered my ears, because I knew that we were headed into the refrigeration section. But kind of worked out, because I realized that after picking out my attire, I'm dressed in all black like a bandit, because I'm about to steal these deals. Let's go. Any day. First up in the Arctic tundra, we got eggs. Wait, I want 18 because I eat a lot of eggs. I don't know if everyone knows this, but you're supposed to check them out, make sure there's no cracks. Looks like we got a good batch. Eggs, critical. They have about 6 to 7 grams of protein per egg. I eat about 2 to 3 eggs a day. Now, before you panic and say, but cholesterol, I'm a registered dietitian. Do you think I would tell you to eat eggs if it wasn't safe? No, I wouldn't. All of the nutrients are contained in the yolk, the majority at least. You're gonna be missing out on choline that is contained only in the yolk in adequate portions compared to the whites. That's why it's so good for brain health to eat the yolk, and it offers a lot of benefits in addition to the high protein content. Now, if you do have high cholesterol, you might want to watch how many eggs you eat in a week, but if you don't have a cholesterol problem, eat the yolk.
If you are concerned about cholesterol or you're trying to cut calories, have a full egg or two and remove the yolk of 2 to 3 additional eggs. This hack will give you the benefits of the yolk plus the protein from the whites without the extra fat, cholesterol, and calories. If I were to do this using the full 18 egg supply, I'd have 3 full eggs plus an extra 3 whites and get 30 grams of protein per day for 3 days. I'm so punny. Added to our other items, that's a total of 65 grams.
I like to hard boil these puppies. You can make them scrambled, fried, I don't know. Hard boiled, take them on the go. They're very versatile. Next up, they love me at Walmart. I make great content here. If you turn around, I had an iconic moment right there.
Focus on your food!
Wasn't that great? Subscribe. Subscribe to see me annoy everyone at Walmart. All hours, all costumes, all characters. But right now, I'm me, and I'm giving you my recommendation for yogurt. Where's my yogurt? This is where the best yogurt is for health. Okay, Greek plain, 17 grams of protein for 1 serving. It's literally 100 calories, 17 grams of protein. I'm not even faking this enthusiasm. This is a staple in my diet.
If we divide a full tub by 3 days, we'll get 28 grams of protein per day. Added to our other items, that's 93 grams total.
The thing I love about yogurt is that it is a great source of probiotics. Probiotics are great for promoting digestion. You know I love healthy poops. We already talked about it with the chickpeas. If you incorporate chickpeas and this yogurt, you are gonna be pooping ideally. You'll increase your likelihood of getting that perfect 4 on the Bristol stool chart. So the reason why I came out of my way, I walked all these extra steps over here to get this yogurt specifically, is because it is a plain yogurt. Not that there's anything detrimental to having like a vanilla or a flavored yogurt with a berry, but you want to watch for the added sugars. A lot of times it kind of negates the health benefits, The simpler you can go, the better. And really, Greek yogurt's great because it's, again, versatile. We're finding with all of these things that I'm putting in the cart, they are very versatile. So you can flavor it yourself. Sometimes I throw in my own protein powder, strawberry, chocolate, vanilla, whatever, so I have options. Most of the time, I like to flavor it with fresh frozen fruit. You could throw in some of your nuts, some seeds, get antioxidants, more fiber. Honey's a good natural sweetener. Or you could throw in some stevia. It's not as artificial. And you know what's going in it. Or you can make yourself a healthy chicken or tuna salad. Actually, I think that's what I'm gonna do. If me being a dietitian doesn't work out, I'm gonna apply to Walmart. I know where everything is. Chicken, 4-pack. I'm actually gonna go for tuna right now. The chicken of the sea. But if you're not a fan of fish, canned chicken, another good option. So not everyone's into fish, but I like tuna because it's just one simple can, 24 grams of protein for 100 calories. That's crazy. And it's got omega-3s, which are other essential fatty acids, great for your brain. Okay, so the thing that we're finding too with the eggs, with the tuna, with the nuts, all really good for your brain health. Of course, we care about building the muscle, but we also care about being high functioning individuals. Use that brain to make good nutrient choices. Love it.
One 4-pack of tuna divided by 3 days gives us 32 grams of protein per day for a grand total of 125 grams.
And as I mentioned, you can take your plain Greek yogurt and make a healthy tuna salad or chicken salad if you opt for the chicken. But yeah, look at us incorporating ingredients. Simple. But no cooking required. Okay, a lot of people think that they have to be like a master chef. You don't. I suck at cooking, but I'm still meeting my protein needs from all of the groups in a diverse way, and most of it's coming from a can or a container. And I'm a registered dietitian telling you that it's okay to do that. RD approved. Simplicity, work smarter, not harder. Am I right or am I right? I'm right. Subscribe for more great tips. All right, that's all our items actually. So let's head up to the front with our $20 bill and put it in the machine. Gonna get strong. Here we go. All right, disclaimer, I did exchange the eggs because I prefer large white eggs, not extra large eggs, because I'm a little person. I don't need the extra large. All right, let's go. I suck at this, so we might have to work some editing magic. All right, we did it. 224. No, let's do our cold stuff first. That's what I think you're supposed to do. If we were a chopper, it would be like 347. Now we'll do our tuna. Our nuts. All right, we only have one item left here, right? I wasn't nervous, but now I'm really not nervous because I know I'm gonna make it. Wow, $13.99. I get extra credit.
Bonus points.
Can I go back on how much money do I have? A $6 shopping spree? There are other things in the cart because we had to do some additional shopping and we did get an extra thing of eggs, but I'm gonna give myself even more of a protein buffer here since I am in such excellent standing financially. Come on. And we're still coming in under. Let's use this bad boy. Oh. And just like that, it ate my money. I spent all my money on food. Oh yeah, it's raining cash money. I can even hit up a local vending machine for another pack of peanuts if I wanted. We won't do that though. We'll put this towards our next grocery haul. I gotta save this for the greeter. If they're on their game today, we'll find out. Got my SpongeBob SquarePants reusable bag. Never grow up. SpongeBob forever. Timeless. We're putting these items in the bag and not the eggs because they're fragile. I didn't go to cashier school, but every moron knows you must protect the eggs at all costs. Actually, they could probably go on top. Eggs on top. They're fragile, unlike me, because I eat my protein. Hi. Thanks. Did you see how fake that was? He was like literally the only thing you can see is a carton of eggs on the top here. So he's like, you're good. Am I good? I'm good because I'm a law-abiding citizen, but that, maybe I should apply. I think I'd do a better job. Always be a good citizen and put back your card, all right? Oh, censor that for the children. All right, there we go. And look at all these extra steps I'm getting in. Now, if you'll excuse me, I've got some eggs to hard boil. One trip only, because we're so strong. Because we eat our protein. And now you're gonna eat your protein too. And you're not gonna break the bank while you're doing it. Hello, hello, oh, I love you. Okay, well, we hit our goals. We're always hitting our goals. We're gonna be talking all about protein, muscle building, fat loss, everything you could possibly wanna know about making a sustainable, healthy lifestyle change and building that lean, healthy, strong physique. I'll catch you in the next one. Need a chicken? Walmart. Need some makeup? Walmart. Need, I don't know, a garden gnome? Walmart. Everything you could possibly need at Walmart. Please sponsor me, Walmart.